Nope, it won't start. Ay nako, so yesterday I wanted to use the Terra. Pero nung I was trying to start it, ayaw mag-start. So naisip ko baka I left something on, no? Baka hindi ko na off. So what I did is I do have a battery tender, yung charger. So it's saying here charging, but it's been more than a day na since yesterday ko pa to na plug in. Usually after this, pag nag-charge ka, it would switch to fully charge. Because last few weeks ago, yung CRV, ganun din. Ayaw mag-start. So, sabi ko, sige, i-charge ko muna. Kasi baka ganun din, something was left on. Yung sa CRV, over a few hours lang, mga 6-7 hours, naging fully charged na. And it's been few weeks already and that's still good. So, let's see kung talagang needs replacement na tong battery kasi it's not charging already. Ayan, no? Ayaw. So, let's see. Let's remove this na. And then, let's see if mag-start na siya ngayon. Okay, it's here. Okay, let's try.
Low battery. Connect the in-car charger cable.
Wala talaga. Nope, it won't start. Okay, time to order battery. Okay, so wala na talagang battery yung Terra. So we're going to be ordering now. We're going to use the Motolite app. So this is the Motolite app. So battery replacement. I put in my location. And then I choose what car. Ayun, nandiyan na yung nasa Nissan Terra, mode of payment, credit card, and then confirm. These are my choices now. So yung 2SM na gold, enduro, and premium. Right now ang nakakabit yata is the gold. So let's go with that. 21 months. Mahal, 7,000 for a 2SM. And then we trade in our old battery. Confirm order. Okay, so let's wait for the rider to contact us. Okay, so Motolite is here already. Na-check mo na? Yung battery. Sinubukan ko rin i-charge eh. Wala na talaga, ayaw. Oo. Sinubukan namin i-charge eh.
Bali, yung voltage na lang is
Patay na talaga.
10 na lang.
10 na lang, oh. Wala na talaga.
10 volts na.
Oo.
Ano sir yung bago?
Parehong battery ba yan?
Ako sir, 2SM. Kasi same na sila. Same size.
Pero ito pa rin yung original na battery, ano?
Apo, ito yung ano niya, sa stock.
Naka-on na. Unfortunately, kahit na meron siya nung battery na naka-hook up dun sa terminals nung tinanggal nila yung battery, nag-reset pa rin eh. Buti na lang. Yeah, the infotainment system looks like it has its own backup battery because it connected all properly. Yung mga connections ko, yeah, everything is still here. So, yung infotainment system has its own battery. So na-preserve yan. Pero yung settings dito, I have to redo some of them, like yung my preferred na unit sa gas, imbes na liters to 100 kilometers, I like the how many kilometers to a liter. Tapos yung measurement ng gulong, I have to shift yung temperature, yung pressure ng gulong to PSI, mas kabisado. Then I have to set to my preferred na 35 PSI as target. Diba? So, unfortunately, kahit na anong gawin nila, mukhang hindi pa rin eh. Okay, so total is around 6,590 plus if I'm not mistaken, kasi the battery 7,1 less yung 500, tapos may service pa yata, but I'll double check when I pay. So yun yung mga binayad ko, tapos yung they arrived within 2 hours that I ordered. So, acceptable naman. Pero una, they were saying baka abutin ng 5 o'clock. Sabi ko lang, pag after 5, pass na muna kasi I'll probably just go out and buy a battery. Pero kung kaya nila before 5, punta na sila kaagad. So, they were able to find me a rider. So, yung rider dumating within 2 hours of me booking it. Okay, so now it's time for me to pay lang.